Hi, my name is Olivia Tamzarian, and I'm the supervisor here at the Mexican American Cultural Center. I'm here to talk a little bit about the center and about Ender Martos' exhibit 21. The MAC is dedicated to preserving and promoting the culture of Mexican Americans and Latinos. I supervise programming, which means I have oversight on the different collaborations we have and bringing in artists, and then also working with members of the community to help them present their artwork through MAC platforms. My goal is really about kind of community involvement and how to bring art to the community. A lot of people, when they think of museums, they think of kind of this like cold, separate place where art is kind of frozen in time, or like it's a more of a historical reference, especially kids, you know, that they experience art as something that they have to learn for a grade. And I really want to explore ways that the community can be involved in art making and art presentation and then promotion and preservation, because it's really about reflecting what the community is already doing in our space. Here at the MAC, we have exhibitions in our gallery, and of course, before we close due to the pandemic, we have a lot of youth programs as well. So the MAC is really about having a place in Austin for the Latinx community to come together and create and present their artwork. And also holding space in Austin. The city is quickly gentrifying, and having a spot in downtown Austin that represents the history of Mexicanos and Latinos in Austin is an important kind of symbolic gesture. We've been looking forward to Ender's exhibition for about 3 years. He was nominated for our Awards of Excellence and actually received the prize. Obviously, I wish we could have the exhibit in person, but having it digitally available for everybody to view around the world is, also a huge plus. So I'm excited about it. So this is graceful celebration of diversity, and I think the diversity is really evident in the color scheme. I love color. For me, as soon as I saw this piece, I smiled. I saw it installed in East Austin, and we knew we had to have this here at the MAC. It's a really, really powerful piece. You have the juxtaposition of form and color. So you can see the stones reflect kind of the bright limestone of the MAC. So it really ties in with the architecture of the MAC. Because of the angles that you see and the way that Ender's created this kind of movement, for me, it never looks the same. It's dizzying almost, because it's kind of in constant movement. So it really takes the artistic eye, and it takes Ender's genius to see how you can create movement in a still structure. And so as you're walking around and kind of experiencing almost like an optical illusion of what's going on with all the bars, it reminds us that nothing is static. Even something that's made out of a solid material is constantly changing. And I think that's very symbolic. The structures are almost kind of the size of a person. So if you want to read into kind of more of the symbolic nature, for me, it's about having kind of different, almost like monoliths that could represent different cultures. They could represent different pieces of a personality, different colors, different perspectives really. And so I like how the monoliths are all different perspectives, but they have a unity. There's a lot of ways, I think, to interpret the sculpture, and I just want people to come and see it for themselves and take a walk in different times of the day and see how it changes color. Today we're here on kind of an overcast day. The sculpture is just glowing. It's super, super vibrant, and there's really no shadows. But then you come here on a sunny day and all you see are these amazing cast shadows, and it's really about the playing of light and color. So you can take a photo and tag yourself and use the hashtag 21 and tell us a little bit about why you love Austin's diversity and what this sculpture means to you.